Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make the border settings into a VN editor. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to drag the video into timeline. So as you can see, I have already did. If you want to make the video border setting, or if you want to change the video borders or change the color as well, you can also do that in the VN editor. So let's see how we can do that. So simply we need to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, has the option for the border. So we have to click on this option. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this options, as you can see, has the width of the border. So if you want to select the width of the border, you can also do that. So we need to select that. I'm going to select this here. So as you can see, after selecting the width, we need to select the color. For example, I'm going to choose this color as well. So I'm going to drag this here. So let's drag this here. And if you want to increase or decrease of the color border, you can also do that. As you can see, I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, if you want to change the color, you can also do that. I'm going to drag this color to here. If you want to see, as you can see, some colors are also provided here. If you want to choose any one from them, you can also do that. The RGB value is also provided here. If you want to provide the value into RGB format, you can also do that, RGB and red, green, blue. And as you can see, has the width option. If you want to increase the width, you can also do that. So as you can see, in this way you can make the border corrections into a VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.